By 1820, the roads and canals cannot keep up with the transport of textiles and iron in your town. Luckily for your town, advances in transportation are being attempted, including using a steam engine to power a locomotive. Soon a railway line is constructed through your town that connects the factories and coal mines. As a result of the new rail lines, more and more people move to your community. Then, in order to make sure that profits continue to grow, the capitalists in your town begin to shift their workforce from mainly men and children to women and children. The economics are simple. Factory owners can pay women and children about half as much as men. One result of this change in the workforce is a redefining of men and women's roles in the family. Women and children are out of the home for most of the day, and increasingly men deal with their loss of income and the perceived lowering of their social status by turning to alcohol and crime. The family unit that had existed for centuries begins to erode. Add the following items to your drawing. You have 3 minutes to do so. Add a rail line connecting all of the factories and coal mines in your town. Add 5 more houses. Add 2 more pubs, 2 tenements, and 1 jail.